Welcome to another video. Today's video topic is how to add matching color on evening photo in Lightroom. Click on the masking icon at the beginning. From here, click on the radial gradient. Hold down the Ctrl key and press minus key from the keyboard to zoom out the photo. Now select the sunset part from the photo as showing in the video. Then increase the feather to 100. Click on the color box. Select pink color from the color picker. Click the right button on the black circle. Click on duplicate radial gradient 1. Copy like this 4 times. Now increase the size of radial gradient number 4. Now we will change the color of the water part. Click on Add button from mask. Click on the radial gradient. Select the water section. Click on the Done button. Now see, the color of the photo has changed and matched with the photo. Thanks for watching the video.